How to use Asana for project management. Hey everyone, and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll showcase the platform Asana and how to actually go ahead and start using it for project management. Now, Asana is going to be a platform that is going to help us in our team to manage our goals, tasks, calendar view, timeline, see just, a space where we can like combine our powers and actually see, get tasks done more easily and in a unity. So let's actually go ahead and start talking about it and showcase how to start using it. But before we even get started, let's talk about the pricing real quick because it actually does offer two plans and also a free plan, which is going to be your personal plan. Here you can actually start for free and completely for free, free forever, as you can see here. And you can see you get plenty of stuff to do with the free plan. But then if you want to grow for more futures and stuff, you can obviously upgrade for the other plans. Now, I'm not going to go through all of them. I just wanted to show you that, you do get a free plan and you also can upgrade for more stuff. So you can see, for example, the teammates. For the free plan, we get 10 teammates, which is actually pretty good considering it's for free, and you get 500 for both other plans, and you can, compare them yourself. But let's actually get started. So first, navigate to asana.com and just click on the Get Started on the top right. And from here, I'm just going to sign up. I'm not going to bore you with the signing up process. It's very simple and easy. So I'm just going to do that and see you when I'm in the dashboard. So here you go. Once you finish up your signing up process, you should find yourself within a page similar to this. Here is going to be your dashboard. So let's go over it real quick. You've got your home tab. Here is going to be, you can say, a summary of all things that are happening within, the spaces and tasks and all of those things that are assigned to you. You can see here, they do give you a few sample tasks, and you can see here, upcoming, we got 2 of them, and we can, just click on them, see all about them, and, just finish the task, attach it to it, or set a link or whatever it may be, and we can actually, finish it done, and we can just mark it as complete. So homepage, again, like I said, shows you exactly what's going on in here. So a summary of pretty much everything in here. We can actually customize things to our liking, like, change the background color, which is pretty nice to be honest. I kind of like this. And you can also customize the widgets that you see. For example, you can see the tasks that you are assigned to, and here you can add as tasks that you have assigned. So you can add this if you want. I don't really want this, so we can just go ahead and remove it. And we can also remove other things here that are already present. I recommend that you keep this, which is my tasks, and also projects and stuff. But, you can just go back to customize and add stuff if you want. So we can just add this one, for example, drag and drop, leave it there. Or actually, replace this. There you go. I was confused for a sec. I was like, okay, so let me make it full size, and I can just drag it to be down here. Okay, so after you customize your homepage, let's go ahead and do the second most important step, which is going to be adding our teammates. So we can just go ahead and go to the bottom left. If you don't see it, we can just go to the top right and invite to Asana. Let me just go ahead and click on invite teammates here. Both are going to be exactly the same thing, so don't worry. Here we can add our teammates by adding their email. So we can just go ahead and set example at exampleuser.com, for example. Let's say this is our teammate. We can just, set this up, invite them, and so on. And we can add them to specific projects, okay? So currently, let's just go ahead and make it so that, generally speaking, they are going to be added, but not for a specific project. Let's actually go ahead and talk about projects now, since it came up, because projects are going to be an important part of our journey with Asana. Think of projects as, like the name entails, as a specific project. For example, you're going to be working on a YouTube channel, specific YouTube channel, and you just want to name it, I don't know, example. You want to name the YouTube channel example. So you would want to create a project that is named after that. So let's create a new project. We can use a template or we can use a spreadsheet if you want. I prefer to just go for a blank project, and we can just give it a name. Example YouTube channel. And here we can do the privacy, whether it's going to be my workspace or private to members. So this way, it's only people that are invited to it can actually access this project, work on it, and so on. Completely up to you, depending on the type of project that you want to manage. Let's just do private members. So default view, it doesn't really matter because you can again switch between them within the actual Asana. But if you want to set a specific view to be the default, we can just use this one, for example, and create project, but it doesn't matter because we can switch between. So now that we have our project here, now we can actually go ahead and add teammates to this specific project. And if it's invite only, then only those that we invite are going to be able to access it and work in it. So what do we have inside a project, whether it's this one or the one that we have just created? The things that you will find are going to be the different views. Hold on a sec. Sorry about that. So what you can find is the different views. So you can see list view, board view, timeline, dashboard, calendar, and so on. Now, those are going to be just, different views that you can see the tasks and stuff in it. I prefer to keep it as board view as the most simple one for me. Some people you'd like to use the list. It doesn't really matter. Just, stick to the one that you like. And then you can also see an overview of, basically think of it as the home screen for this specific project. You can also customize the icon and stuff. Let me just not go through that anymore. So, basically the views and stuff, and also you can find messages here. You can talk to the people within this group, so we can actually go ahead and just say hi and send it. Very simple stuff. So you can see it here, and you can also attach files in here as well. You can set up workflows, which are like some sort of automations if you want, and so on. So basically what you can do with your team members is talk about the project. Here you can add description and stuff, and add plenty of tasks and assign them to people. So to add tasks, we can just go to any view of those, and we can just go ahead and add tasks. By the way, for the workflow here, basically what you will need to adjust within the workflow is going to be those here that you see: to do, in progress, complete, and more. Anyways, so if you want to add a task, we can just click on add task, and actually just give it a name. So write an introduction script. Let's say we want to write an introduction script, and then we can just go ahead and click on it and assign someone to it. There's no one else except for me, so we'll just assign myself to it. We can add a due date if you want, completely up to you. And we can assign it to this project. Obviously, it's going to be for this one. And we can also add it to another project if you want, but let me just not do that. If you want to add dependencies, description about the task, if you want to get more in depth about the description of the task, and you can also add subtasks to it. So with that, you can, go ahead and actually make this task. Never mind, just it's pretty much done here. So let's say I am assigned for this task. Let me just go ahead and mark this as complete, and you can see what happens. It's actually going to be checked here. Obviously, we would put it over there. Okay, so anyways, so now you have a new task assigned to you. So if you go back to the home screen, you can see now that it is added in here. Write an introduction script is going to be in here, and also you can find it within the overview here. So, or not, apparently. You should be able to see the tasks available to you. I guess it's something that you need to customize. Okay, regardless, we can just go back to the view and find it over here. So let's say you have finished it. We can just go ahead and click on it. We can, if it's a script, we can just go ahead and attach our script in here from our computer, and just go ahead and move it to complete, and so on. So that's basically how to use tasks and stuff in here. And we can set the status for each one, like at risk, off track, on hold, and on track, and so on. So this is going to be, the projects are going to be different projects, as we can see, but these projects are going to be under the workspace. So you can actually do for another workspace which has completely different projects. So just think of it as maybe two different type of work. So this one is for YouTube channel, and you have multiple projects, like one is video editing, one is script writing, and then there's another workspace for a completely different business that you have, like, I don't know, Shopify or something else. So that's pretty much how to think of it. Then you've got portfolios here, which you can create goals, reporting, and so on. So that's pretty much how to use Asana. It's very simple and easy to use, and actually very easy and user-friendly, basically, and you get a lot of customization options. And remember, this is for free. Now, they do actually give us a free trial of 30 days once you sign up for the free plan. I guess they actually take us to use the starter plan, if I'm not mistaken. And if you did not upgrade, then you'll be actually back to the starter plan. Regardless, this is pretty much it for this video. I hope you liked it, and thanks for watching.